Hi everyone, this is Tess with Wave Gel again, and I want to show you a design starting out with Cat's Eye Gel number 13. The reason why I like Cat's Eye is because it has shimmer power like no other. And I love all the shimmer. It's just so much fun to play with and see what you can come up with. So today I'm going to be doing something a little different, but I know it's something that anybody can do. It's very easy. I try to pick some easy things so everybody can follow along with me. But if you want to be an artist, a nail artist in particular, you got to learn how to mix your colors on the nail. It's way faster. Okay, I'm going to put that in the lamp for 30 seconds. That's Cat's Eye number 13. The next color we're going to be using is called Rosy Cheeks. So I'm going to mix several colors on the nail and just kind of show you how you can do things a little faster, even if you're using a lot of different colors. I use a lot of color because I love color, especially the Cat's Eye because of the shimmer power. Okay, now I'm just going to leave that thin. I didn't want to put it on very thick. Now at the bottom we're going to use the Rosy Cheeks. And I'm just going to splash on some color. Okay, that's going to go in the lamp for 30 seconds. And you want to try to get your customer to do all 10 because that way you can just move along very quickly. Our next color is Ice Metal Gold. And I'm using these colors in this fashion so that we can get different ratios on the nail. Makes it interesting. So a little splash of color here and there. Don't overlap the whole area that you just painted with your gel polish. So with Ice Metal Gold, you want to take almost all of it off. And then we're going to do just some little dashes. Okay? And I always take notes because that way I know if I want to reproduce this again, my customer can be assured that I can do this again. Okay. Now we're going to use number 9 from Tess Walter's Jewel Kit. And this is a pink that I need to stir a little bit. It's very holographic. Okay, now I'm going to just take this little brush and I'm going to tap. I just want a little bit up there. And I'm just going to put that in the light for a couple seconds while I'm putting my glitter away so I don't spill it. And the next thing we're going to do is use our shiny No Clean top coat, which by the way is fabulous for securing jewels. Okay, I just kind of tap the glitter down. This glitter just is really nice. It just sinks right into the gel polish. Get down on the bottom of that bottle. Okay, back into the light for 30 seconds. I'm a glitter master. I love glitter. It's my thing. I like to make backgrounds. I like to mix colors together because you can make the nail really interesting without having to put a bunch of stuff on it. You know, you can just paint it with your gel polish and add a little glitter. We're going to use ether flakes in a minute. If you don't know what ether flakes are, you're in for a treat. We're going to use 2. For the next color of wave gel I'm going to use is Cat's Eye number 17. This bottle is a little stained. The pigments are so strong that it stains, this one stains the bottle. Okay, now what I'm going to do is put some of number 17 Cat's Eye on the nail. And then I'm going to grab this old brush. Don't throw any of your old brushes away. There's always something you can use them for. Hang around me long enough and you're going to use all those brushes that are just sitting around. Okay, so I wanted it to be kind of sheer over the gold area. And I'm going to put that in the light for a few seconds because it's not very thick. So we'll do like 10 seconds. Okay, now we're going to put a little more on there. And we're just going to put enough on so that our ether flakes will adhere. Ether flake is mylar and pieces of chrome. So it's flat. I have to wipe my brush off for a second. It's flat pieces of chrome and mylar. Okay, well, I'm going to put my little paper down. If you have a piece of paper and you put your glitter down, you can, you know, pick the paper up and stick all your goodies back in the jar. Okay, so you want to put a lot of ether flake on there and then pat it down. Okay. Okay, now we're going to put that back in the lamp. And we're going to do 30 seconds this time. And number 4, ether flake. This is my favorite one. You can see because I use it all the time. I'm gonna show you. If you shake it up a little bit, then open it, it expands again. It gets a little bit heavy and it just falls. Okay, now I'm going to get a little bit more. And I'm going to take my little brush here we're going to go put it back in the light for 30 seconds. It doesn't matter how you throw this on, as long as it's on there, you're going to have fun and your client is going to think you're a genius. Make sure you keep the gel off your fingers. You want to be safe, not sorry. Okay, now I'm just going to add a little bit more. You see what's happening? I've got a darker pink, a lighter pink, and a darker purple, and I'm up in here. So you really get a lot of beautiful color. I'm going to add a little bit more ether flake and show you how you can change this up. So you just kind of pat it in there. It's similar to what I'm wearing. It is what I'm wearing, actually. Okay, back in. Only these nails I'm decorating or designing are a lot longer and wider. So you have a lot more room to play. But look at this nail. See how small that is? It looks really good, doesn't it? Because I got everything on there. I broke a couple nails. These are my own nails, so I'm letting them grow out. It's so much easier to design with gel polish on yourself because you can just, you know, soak it off. Or file it off. I file mine off. It's just faster that way. If you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing with the e-file, you have to take a class. That's all there is to it. You can hurt yourself and someone else. I've hurt myself before, and I know what I'm doing. And I've had other people hurt me, and it's no fun. But there's a correct way and a wrong way to use everything, as we all know. Okay, now I'm going to put my... Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my finger. There's no gel on top that's sticky. This is all ether flake. See how this turned kind of a goldish pink, and this is a purple pink up here? So rub it in, and you get kind of that chrome finish. It is chrome. So that's pretty cool. Now we're going to use our shiny top gel, which is a no clean top coat. And I don't know about you, but I always put some on the free edge first. Oh, wait. We can't forget this. Where's the file? You want to file the edge just a little bit, and that way, and it's okay to do it right now because there's glitter there, but I just want to make sure I have really good contact with the bottom layer, because a lot of times shiny things on the free edge will cause it to lift. So I just always err on the side of caution and do the tips. I do those first, that way I know I'm not going to forget. And it's very critical if you want to keep your nails nice for 2, 3, 4 weeks, depending on what your clients are doing with their hands. Okay, see? Isn't that cute? Okay, I'm going to put that in the lamp. There are 6 colors of ether flake, and I have 20 jars of glitter in my Tess Walters glitter kit. Tess Walters Jewels. It comes in a real nice lucite box. They're $3.50 a piece. The kit is how you order it. You can't order them singly, but the kit is $65, and you guys will love it, and you can do all the things that I do. And the ether flakes you can order separately. They're $10. But you guys should order this stuff because I'm telling you what, we are going to have some fun. Wave gel is fabulous. So you guys are going to love it. It's a luxury line and it's got a very low price point, and there's no reason why you shouldn't try it. You can do everything that I'm doing. I'm thinking about starting a little glitter or Tess Walters Jewel Club. Wouldn't that be fun? A lot of people need help with this, and this is really fun. Even if you know how to do glitter, it's really fun to just mix it and do some fun things with it. Well, I hope you like this video, and please share it with your friends on other groups. I have a group page called Tess Walters Education, and I would love for you all to join. Isn't that groovy, man? Woo! Love it. Okay, I'll see you next time on Facebook. Bye-bye.